So the prince is currently sleeping on his birthday. Sleeping like a true king. Happy birthday, mommy's little man. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So it is Pharaoh's first birthday, you guys. Oh my goodness. I am like so happy. I'm like literally shaking, you guys, because I cannot believe like this is his first birthday. I cannot believe that I had him a year ago. So oh my gosh, you guys, like last night I legit, like I was putting up a video to post on my Facebook and Instagram of like videos I took of Pharaoh, and I legit was getting emotional and I was crying. I'm just like looking back from when he was like a little tiny little thing to when he was like in my tummy making like movements, and you know, just seeing him grow. Like I cannot believe that my baby is like a year old. I think he's up, you guys. Hi, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Pharaoh. Can you say hi? Good morning. You say good morning. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Sorry guys, my singing sucks. Hi! Hey, say happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Hey, hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Hey, hey. So we're about to go ahead and head on down first to have his birthday breakfast. Then we're gonna get dressed for celebration of his birthday today, you guys. Happy birthday! And this is what Pharaoh is going to be wearing on his big special day. I got this from Carter's like a few months ago, and I'm so glad I did get this beforehand, because when I checked on the site for like other happy birthday outfits for him, they didn't have this. They were like completely gone of this. So I'm glad I got this, and I got this in a size 12 months for him. Baby, you'll be fine. Coffee is brewing in the Keurig and the truck is warming up, so we're about to go ahead and celebrate little man's birthday. We have to first go to Party City, pick up the balloons, and then we have to go to Small Cakes to pick up his cupcake, his smash cake, and then check out a few stores, Target and then Carter's. And that is pretty it, and then have some lunch. We either might just pick up some lunch and bring it back here at home, or just eat at the restaurant. So yeah, so that is what today is going to consist of. And yeah, I did my hair and my makeup. My hair is currently wet, so it's like in the drying process. So yeah, so I did really good with my makeup. Nothing too much, just like a little natural light beat. Can you say hi? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy man. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yay. Alright guys, so don't mind the dirty mirrors or anything like that, but this is my outfit for today. Just something like, you know, just something casual but yet like nice or whatever. My distressed denim jacket I got from Forever 21. You guys seen this sweater so many times. I got this from American Eagle. This is legit one of my favorite sweaters. The jeans are from American Eagle. I just have them cropped, and then I'm gonna wear some flats today. So yeah, definitely a mommy chic day off for my little man birthday. So about to go ahead and get into the car. Well, I have to move my car next. I have to move my car, and then so that way we can get into the truck. So hold on, you guys, it's gonna probably look a little So yeah, that was a little strange. A little strange. All right, you guys, so yeah, so we're gonna go, well, we have to take my mom's Land Rover in order to get the balloons, because it's like a big balloon set. So we have to take the Land Rover because it's not going to fit in either cars. And yeah, so that is why I am moving the car. And yeah. Alright, you guys, so we are at the Small Cakes Bakery picking up Pharaoh's cupcake. Currently asleep right now. So yeah, my mom is about to go pick up the cupcakes, and then Party City is like right behind us. I have to go get the balloons, the Daniel Tiger balloons, because today is the Daniel Tiger themed birthday party, and then Saturday is the blue and gold royal Egyptian theme on Saturday with family and friends. So yeah, so don't mind with the Tupac playing in the truck. So my mom forgot to turn down the music, and I can't really reach because I'm all the way in the back here. But yeah, so these are my glasses. I've been asked a lot about my sunglasses in recent past vlogs. I got these from Francesca's. I really like these a lot. So yeah, so little man is asleep on a special big day. After we leave from Party City, we're gonna go check out Target and Carter's. I forgot my baby carrier and we forgot the stroller, so hopefully we're not in and out the stores too much, but I do have like a cart cover for Pharaoh and the diaper bag, so just in case if we have to use the cart like at Target. And then my mom and I will switch back and forth for like holding him while we're at Carter's. So yeah, so I'm super excited. Don't know, but we might go for lunch just yet for him. I don't know. We'll probably like pick up something to eat and then have at the house, but still don't know. So yeah, that is what we currently are doing, guys. It's a cute little cupcake of Daniel Tiger. Aww, that is so cute. So currently in Party City to pick up some more treat bags. Kids are gonna come to the party, and then I'm about to go ahead and pick up his balloons. So now just leaving from Party City, but yeah, Pharaoh's, I got hair in my mouth. Pharaoh's Daniel Tiger balloons are in the back here. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. They're so cute. But yeah, his Daniel Tiger cupcake from Small Cakes is so cute, you guys. I am like literally excited. But yeah, we have like the Daniel Tiger balloons and like the big #1 balloon here in the background. Hey baby, are you okay? Hold on, mom's gonna get your bottle. Hold on. Alright, you guys, so yeah, so I forgot what was I talking about. Oh, okay, so yeah, so my mom went back to Party City to get something else for Pharaoh for his Daniel Tiger party theme today. And yeah, we're just gonna invite like our neighbors like that's across the street from us and next door to us, their kids, to come to his party for today. And then we're gonna head out Target and then Carter's and then get some lunch and then head on back home. And yeah, I'm super excited for Pharaoh's first birthday. But like Pharaoh's Daniel Tiger balloon right there. So we had purchased the set where it was like you get all of the balloons back there in like one bundle. And then so it is bright, like I don't know what, you guys. We purchased the bundle back there. in like one set. And then when I came to pick them up, the manager was like, yeah, so the balloon, the Daniel Tiger balloon that was already in the pack, had like a pen needle hole or something in it. So he gave me the one in display because they were all out the bundle packs that I've already purchased. So he gave me the Daniel Tiger one that was on display, and then he gave me like a decent, nice discount for it. And then also gave Pharaoh the big #1 gold balloon for free. And yeah, so I was kind of in there for like a moment. And then I was looking at like some photo booth props to have for the party on Saturday. And I saw a few, but we're just like on like schedule for today's, you guys. We might come back like tomorrow and look at the photo booth props to have at the party for Saturday. And I also want to get like the Polaroid type camera to take pictures of like everyone for Saturday and put on like in Pharaoh's baby journal that I had got for a baby shower gift. So yeah, you guys, I am like really excited for Pharaoh, like his first birthday. Are you okay, baby? So yeah, I am like super excited, you guys. Super duper 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 excited, you guys. I know you guys can tell like the excitement on my face. I am like literally excited for my baby's first birthday, you guys. I'll probably go ahead and move the car though, Pharaoh. It is like bright, like I don't know what, you guys. Yeah. Like outside. Oh my gosh, you guys, Pharaoh loves him some Drake. Like, oh my goodness, guys, he loves Drake.
The cool thing about us is we do have like, there's lots of there's a lot more variety and choices and stuff. Mm-hmm. Here, do you want me to wear the hat? What do you think? Is it my birthday now? They're always on good sales. You can see just about all of them are on the 2 for sale. The clothes are on the 2 for sale also. We'll have to go see if anything catches our interest. Do we like dinosaurs? Do we like...
He loves dinosaurs.
We have dogs too.
He loves yeah.
Oh, what do you think of some of these dinosaurs?
Ooh.
What do you think? You want to feel one?
Look.
It's really soft. You want to feel it? Is that one too scary for you? You want a happier dinosaur? Do I have a happier dinosaur? This one's happy. Look at that one.
Oh. Do you like it?
You want to feel?
Oh.
Listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past, yeah. Start cherishing what you.
Look what his menu.
Pharaoh.
Look, get his menu. Look,
Oh, your menu.
Look.
Pharaoh.
Pharaoh, look at mommy.
Look, baby. having a Daniel Tiger theme birthday today with the Daniel Tiger balloons. And my brother just stopped by and he gave Pharaoh a cute little gift and everything. So he's gonna come back to his second party on Saturday with everyone. But we have some party favors here for like the neighbor kids. And then he has a new Daniel Tiger book and this Elmo themed birthday book. And here is his Daniel Tiger themed cake. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute, you guys. So, and in the big box here, we have red velvet minis here from Small Cakes. And yeah, he has such a wonderful Daniel Tiger themed birthday, you guys.